Sonita the songbird loved waking up the Clark family each morning with her beautiful voice. But one morning shortly before Christmas, they left. Whatever was she going to do for Christmas? Like clockwork, Sonita the songbird would perch on the branch of the Clark's large oak tree nearest to the upstairs windows. Once there, she would sing beautiful choruses. And, like clockwork, each member of the family would come to their window and say, "Good morning, Sonita. Thanks, as usual, for the lovely wake-up call." Whether rain or shine, she would make the sacrifice to go and sing for them because she realized it made them happy. It also made her feel good to be able to share love with her voice. One morning, Sonita saw that the Clarks were awake even before she showed up, and were busy loading up the car. "Oh, morning, Sonita," said Josh Clark as he looked up and saw her. "We're heading off to Aspen for the Christmas holidays. See you when we get back." Sonita flew away disappointed. She wondered how she would manage for the entire Christmas season without sharing her musical love with the Clarks. Then she thought, wait a minute. I share my voice because it makes others happy. She then declared, there must be another family around here that would enjoy hearing me sing to them each morning. With that, she set off down the block and found another home with a tall oak tree. She perched and immediately started singing. Shortly after, a little girl opened a window and shrieked, "Look, Mom! A Christmas songbird, just like I wanted." When Sonita saw that, she felt fulfilled. She realized that once she had love to share, her duty was to share with anyone she came across. And even though she had a special place in her heart for the Clarks, she was happy singing for anyone who needed that love.